Your data grows, your users multiply, but without expert MongoDB support, even the strongest system can crack. Slow queries, data corruption, unplanned downtime. This isn't just a performance loss, this is a business risk. Introducing MongoDB Enterprise Support by Ksolves, where you get cluster setup, sharding and replica management, query optimization and tuning, enterprise-grade security and compliance, Atlas migration and zero-downtime upgrades, 24/7 monitoring and health checks, under 1 hour response time in case of any emergency, 99.95% uptime SLA, 12 plus years experience certified engineers who have solved over 150 critical issues in the last quarter. So if you're facing lag or reliability issue, it's your time to contact sales@ksolves.com today.